Thinking about buying a mini PC? It might seem risky. After all, we've always believed bigger means better. But look at our desks. Giant towers, messy cables, constant noise. Why do we put up with it? These clunky machines dominate our space and our peace of mind. Behind them, a tangled mess of frustration. And that endless whirring, it turns your room into a server farm. But what if you could reclaim your space and silence the noise without losing power? Enter the Mini PC. Today's models deliver true desktop performance in a box smaller than your lunch. In this video, I'll show you 5 mini PCs that will change how you think about computers, forever. First up, the GM KDEC NUCbox K6. At its heart is the formidable AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor, paired with 32 GB of speedy DDR5 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD. This combination means this tiny beast handles everything from video editing to gaming. We're talking smoothly scrubbing through 4K timelines and enjoying modern AAA titles at 1080p. The integrated Radeon 780M graphics deliver impressive performance while the dual Ethernet ports offer advanced connectivity for power users, making it a versatile choice for both work and play. Next, meet the Geekom AX 8 Pro, featuring the newer Ryzen 7 8845HS chip and 32 GB of RAM. What sets this apart is its balance of power and efficiency, thanks to a dedicated neural processing unit, or NPU. This hardware accelerates AI tasks in your favorite apps without slowing down the system. This focus on smart performance means the AX 8 Pro runs cool and quiet, making it an ideal choice for a minimalist office or as the silent heart of a home theater system. The Geekom A8 also brings 32 GB RAM and a 1TB SSD, but its specialty is display output, with impressive 8K capability. Thanks to its generous port selection, including dual HDMI and USB 4, it can drive up to 4 4K monitors simultaneously. This is perfect for creative professionals and multitaskers who need maximum screen real estate without the clutter of a traditional PC, creating a clean, expansive, and productive workspace. For those needing maximum power, the Geekom AX 7 Pro delivers. It packs a mighty Ryzen 9 processor and a massive 2TB SSD, putting it firmly in desktop replacement territory. This machine is built for the most demanding tasks, like rendering complex 3D models, compiling large codebases, or running multiple virtual machines. It's definitive proof that you don't need a giant tower for serious professional-grade horsepower, all in a fraction of the size. Finally, the Geekom AX 8 Max stands out with its unparalleled connectivity. It features dual 2.5G LAN ports for ultra-fast networking, and a standout feature, USB 4. This single port provides a massive 40 gigabits per second of bandwidth, enabling you to connect an external GPU for high-end gaming, daisy-chain multiple displays, or use blazing fast external storage. It's a networking powerhouse that fits in your palm, built for users who demand ultimate flexibility and future-proofing. So yes, buying a mini PC might be the biggest mistake you'll ever make. A mistake for your old, cluttered desk space, and for the outdated belief that real power requires a massive, noisy tower. Because once you experience the sheer power packed into a device that fits in the palm of your hand, effortlessly driving multiple 4K displays, handling intense creative workflows, and delivering impressive gaming performance, you'll realize there's no going back. The era of the bulky desktop is over. You'll wonder why you ever settled for anything less.